What if your cat's litter box cleaned itself, sealed the waste, and even refilled the bag, all automatically? Meet the Amicura Cura 3. This high-tech litter box takes care of everything. It auto-cleans, auto-seals waste, and even refills the trash bag, keeping your home odor-free and hands clean. With 7 TÜV-certified safety sensors, it instantly stops when your cat's nearby. Totally safe for multi-cat homes. The MSDS-certified deodorizer kills smells and bacteria, while the 360-degree leak-proof design keeps everything fresh and clean. Plus, control it all from the Amicura app. Check usage, weight, and behavior anytime. If you love your cats but hate scooping, the Amicura Cura 3 is your new best friend. Click the link below. Your cats and your nose will thank you.